Welcome to Day 27 of Future Business School's Daily MBA series. Today, we're exploring supply chain management, a crucial component of operations that ensures the smooth flow of goods and services from suppliers to customers. We'll cover logistics, procurement, and demand forecasting, which are key elements in optimizing the supply chain. What is supply chain management? Supply chain management involves the coordination and management of all activities related to the flow of goods and services from raw materials to final products delivered to customers. SCM aims to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction through effective management of the entire supply chain. Key components of supply chain management. 1. Logistics. Logistics refers to the planning, implementation, and control of the movement and storage of goods and services. It encompasses various activities: transportation, moving goods from one location to another, using modes such as road, rail, air, and sea. Effective transportation management reduces costs and improves delivery times. Warehousing, storing goods in warehouses before they are distributed. Efficient warehousing involves inventory management, space utilization, and handling procedures. Inventory management. Tracking and controlling inventory levels to balance supply and demand. Techniques include just-in-time and economic order quantity. Economic order quantity. Formula: EOQ equals the square root of 2 times demand rate times ordering. Cost per order divided by holding cost per unit per year, where D equals demand rate, S equals ordering cost per order, H equals holding cost per unit per year. Example: Amazon is known for its advanced logistics network, including a vast network of fulfillment centers and sophisticated delivery systems, which enable rapid delivery and efficient inventory management. Procurement involves acquiring the goods and services needed for production and operations. Key activities in procurement include supplier selection, identifying and evaluating suppliers based on criteria such as cost, quality, and reliability. Negotiation, engaging in discussions with suppliers to agree on terms, pricing, and delivery schedules. Contract management, creating and managing contracts to ensure suppliers meet their obligations and performance standards. For example, Apple Inc. uses strategic procurement to secure high-quality components for its products. Apple's procurement strategy involves selecting suppliers that can meet its stringent quality and delivery standards while negotiating favorable terms. Demand forecasting is the process of estimating future customer demand for products or services. Accurate forecasting helps in planning production, inventory levels, and supply chain activities. Techniques include quantitative methods. Use historical data and statistical models to predict future demand. Common methods include moving average and exponential smoothing. Simple moving average formula: SMA equals 1 over n times the sum of di from I equals 1 to n, where n is the number of periods and di is the demand in each period. Qualitative methods rely on expert judgment and market research to estimate demand. Techniques include Delphi method and market surveys. For instance, Walmart utilizes advanced demand forecasting techniques to manage its extensive inventory across thousands of stores. By analyzing sales data and market trends, Walmart accurately predicts demand and adjusts its supply chain operations accordingly. Challenges in supply chain management include supply chain disruptions. Events like natural disasters or geopolitical issues can disrupt the flow of goods and services. Demand variability. Fluctuations in customer demand can lead to overstocking or stockouts. Supplier reliability. Ensuring that suppliers consistently meet quality and delivery standards. Best practices to address these challenges are collaborative planning. Work closely with suppliers and customers to align forecasts and production plans. Technology integration. Use advanced technologies such as enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, and supply chain management software to enhance visibility and coordination. Risk management. Develop strategies to mitigate risks, such as diversifying suppliers and creating contingency plans. For example, Toyota's supply chain is designed to be resilient to disruptions, with practices such as maintaining strong relationships with suppliers and using flexible production systems to adapt to changing conditions. Understanding supply chain management is essential for optimizing operations and meeting customer expectations. Here are the key takeaways. Logistics manages the movement, storage, and handling of goods to ensure efficient delivery and inventory management. Procurement involves acquiring goods and services, selecting suppliers, negotiating terms, and managing contracts. Demand forecasting estimates. Future demand to plan production and inventory levels accurately. Real-world impact. Companies like Amazon and Walmart demonstrate how effective supply chain management can lead to significant improvements in efficiency, cost reduction, and customer satisfaction. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of supply chain management. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to Future Business School for more insightful content. Tomorrow, we'll cover lean management and Six Sigma. See you then.